Let me ask you a question. Do you own a CSC motorcycle? Did you know you can buy tires for your CSC motorcycle from the CSC website? Did you know you can buy your oil filters and oil from the CSC website? Did you know you can buy chains, sprockets, or all kinds of accessories for your CSC motorcycle from the CSC website? Did you know you can download your owner's manual from the CSC website or watch tech videos from the CSC website? However, there is one thing you can't do on the CSC website, and that's get serviced by our expert technicians. However, if you're local, you're lucky because you can bring your bike in for service. Guys, take advantage now. We have specials on all labor, whether it's routine maintenance, repair work, customization, you name it. We've got the leading industry technicians who are experts in everything CSC. Give us a call and bring your bike in.